Today we're looking at the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone. Now if you're looking at getting into shooting movies, don't forget that the sound is 50% of any movie, so it's really important to have a good quality microphone. And the Rode Wireless Go 2 is one of the smallest, lightest and most versatile systems on the market. So let's take a closer look. Rode has designed this kit to be as simple as possible. Inside you've got 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. The receiver goes onto the camera's hot shoe, and the transmitters, you've got 2 of them so you can interview 2 people at once. Now when you power on the transmitters, as soon as you do that, it automatically pairs the transmitter with the receiver. If it does happen to drop out, you can actually press and hold the power button to repair it. The other great thing about the transmitter is that as soon as you turn it on, there's onboard recording starts built into the mic, so that even though you're recording to your camera or another device, you have a backup recording on the transmitter itself. Now, if you're outside in a windy environment, the Rode Wireless Go 2 kit comes with a pair of furry windshields, which has a really clever little bayonet mount which attaches to the top of the mic like this. You just push and twist, and there you go, it's on firmly, and you can hold it by the wind cheater. There are 2 lights on the display. One is telling you your battery status and the other is telling you that you're paired with the receiver. Onboard recording gives you around 7 hours recording time at maximum audio quality. If you select compressed audio mode, then you get up to 43 hours of record time. And the transmitter itself will last 6 to 7 hours of battery life before it needs recharging. If you're using both transmitters, in other words, you're recording 2 people talking, you have the option to record both channels separately in what they call split mode, and the 2 channels separately record. You have the option then to adjust the audio levels for each one independently, and if one of the people talking fluffs up or you want to remove some of that audio, you can do so without affecting the other audio channel. Alternatively, you can set merged mode where the 2 channels record into one, leaving one spare. Now that one spare can be set to a safety mode at minus 20 decibels below the main channel. So that if there are any sudden loud noises, for example, it avoids audio clipping. Now to switch between split mode and merge mode, you simply press the 2 buttons on the bottom of the receiver simultaneously. And if you press and hold, there it goes, that's now in a merge mode. And then to go back into split mode, press and hold again. So the transmitter has this little spring clip on the back which enables you to attach it to your lapel for recording. But if you want something a bit more discreet than that, there is an optional lapel mic which plugs into the 3.5mm port on the transmitter. You can put that in your pocket and then you can attach the lapel mic like so. The other accessory we really like is the Interview Go. Here it is. By attaching one of the transmitters like so and putting this hat on, you've got yourself a really handy little stick mic which we used at the photography show widely, and it's really great for getting in and out of doing quick interviews one-to-one with an interviewer, and it's a lot quicker than having to attach the microphones to people's lapels and so forth. This is a really great accessory. Now whether you're using this accessory or the lapel mic or just naked without any attachments, you've got a range of up to 200 meters line of sight from the receiver. Overall, we're really impressed with the Rode Wireless Go 2. It's an excellent kit. It's small, it's portable, it's very versatile. We like the fact that you've got 2 transmitters, so if you've got to doing an interview, you can mic up both people. You've got the lapel mic, you've got the stick mic, you've got 7 hours of battery life, onboard recording, the fact that you can use merged or split mode so that you have more options in the editing stage. There's not really much missing from this little kit, and it's not that expensive either when you consider what you get and the features you get for it. For anyone thinking of getting into video and looking for a good value, versatile microphone, you'd struggle to find anything better out there than the Rode Wireless Go 2. For that reason, we give it 5 stars. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amateur Photographer TV for more great videos.